Hi lovers, welcome back to my page. So guys, let me take you along on how I make this delicious sweet yummy meat pie that keep everyone asking for more. If today is your first time coming across my video, do me well to like, share, and to my old subscribers, stay blessed. Thank you very much. I can see your love is massive. I really do appreciate. Please do not stop the love and like. So guys, for this recipe I'll be using 4 cups of flour, a bit of salt, baking powder, 2 sachets of baking powder. I'll mix all the dry ingredients together and set it aside. Then add the butter, 2 grams of butter. I'll mix that very well. I'm using cold butter. Emphasizing on the cold butter, it's very important when you're making meat pie that you use a cold butter. So mix that thoroughly and it look like this. And I'll be adding 2 eggs. Mix it very well till all is well mixed. Add 1 cup of water. I think it was not up to 1 cup. Just add the butter bit by bit till form a dough. Then set that aside. Set the dough aside. Add some vegetable oil to your pan with the chopped onions and garlic. Allow that to fry. Then add the carrots. Uh, Stir that together. Then add your grounded meat. I'm using beef for this recipe. Then mix till it's well cooperated. Then I add a bit of water and cover it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. When it's well cooked, then add your salt, Maggi cube, curry powder, mix. I mash my meat pie with that mashing thing. I don't know what it's called. Please, if you know the name, put it in the comment section. I just mash it with it together so everything can be well cooked and very soft. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of corn flour and water and mix it together and pour it into the meat pie filler. Mix together. As you can see the difference, it brings them together and to make it really nice and thicken. So I cut a bit of my dough, um, roll it with my rolling pin, cut a bit, roll it with the rolling pin, and add the meat pie filler to it, and that's it. Your meat pie is as easy as that. It's very easy to make. Just follow the step closely. You can watch the video more than 1 or 2 times so you can get it step by step. If you watch this video to this extent, thank you so much. I really do appreciate. Please do me well to drop your opinion on how you make your meat pie. Do me well to like the video. Please share to your friends, share to your loved ones who love meat pie but don't know how to make it. Share the video to them, and I will see you on my next video. When you're done, you see as I make it very easy. Transfer it. I can use the meat pie cutter, but I just want to use my hand to do it in case you don't have the meat pie cutter, just to tell you how easy it is. Use your fork to give it a very good shape. Transfer it into your oven. Bake it for about 30 to 45 minutes. Check it time to time, and that's it. Your meat pie is ready. It's as simple as that. Take a look at this with my hand, not the meat pie cutter. It's as easy as that. Egg wash it, transfer it to your oven. In 30 minutes, your meat pie is ready. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all on my next video. Stay blessed and bye for now. Bye.